Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong September 10. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung ano ang gagawin ng Diyos sa mga kurakot. Now, this is a very recent topic, no, pagdating sa Pilipinas because of the recent um, court hearings about the flood project, no, na kung saan yung funds ng nanggaling sa ating taxes ay kumbaga ginagamit for personal reasons ng mga taong sangkot doon sa pagbabudget noon. Now, this topic is all about sin. Ito pa yung pagkakasala. Now, to further the definition of sin, we would like to go through hamartia. Yung hamartia, ito po yung Greek word for sin meaning missing the mark. Missing the mark, ibig sabihin nito, hindi ka tumutugma doon sa nararapat. That is why when you sin, you miss the mark. Hindi ka tumutugma doon sa dapat mong ginagawa. Sabi nga po sa Romans chapter 3 verse 23, for all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Ngayon, this verse emphasizes na hindi lang yung mga taong kurakot yung nagkasala, no? Hindi lang yung mga taong na-expose sa TV yung nagkakasala. Tayong lahat, tayong mga tao, we have all fallen short of the glory of God because we have all sinned. That is why it is important to remember that God will not leave the guilty go unpunished. Ibig sabihin po nito, kung hindi tayo niligtas ng Panginoong Hesukristo, then we will be punished, no? Kasi lahat tayo sinners. Pero dahil nga Christ gave His own life for our salvation, tayo maliligtas as long as we put our faith in Him. That is why Christ alone saves us from God's punishment. Wala na pong ibang makakapagligtas pa sa atin, no? Ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin na mababa yung kasalanan mo, malaki yung kasalanan mo na merong severity of punishment, no? Yung punishment po ng Panginoon is simple lang. Nagkasala ka ba? Kung nagkasala ka, you will be punished. Pero kung nagkasala ka, nanampalataya ka kay Kristo, naniwala ka sa Kanya, you put your whole life in serving Him, then you will be free from the condemnation of your sin. Repudiate the belief that God balances good and evil, no? Ibig sabihin po ng repudiate ay itakwil mo yung paniniwala na yung Panginoong Hesukristo ay tumitingin sa severity ng ginawa mong kasalanan. No. It's the mere act of missing the mark, sinning that what you did is wrong. Remember that all sin has a day of reckoning. Lahat yan, kahit gaano kaliit, kahit gaano karami mong ginawa, kahit isang beses lang, that will be punished unless you go and serve, have faith, and truly worship Christ. So renounce all sins and pray for spiritual breakthroughs. Yun po yung ating panangga upang hindi na tayo magkasala pa. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.